This is a miniature block plane made by Silverline. Now, I'm not entirely sure if it's meant to be a fully functional tool or just a charming novelty. Today though, we're giving it something every tool deserves, a cozy place to call home. Now this wasn't a grand or complex project, so I didn't film everything and I'll keep things brief. I started by grabbing an offcut from the tongue and groove boards I used to clad the workshop walls. I cut it down into small planks and then planed them up nice and smooth. I discovered this plane tucked away at the bottom of a box as I was unpacking tools in my new workshop. An inspiration for a quick project and a video hit me. I considered doing some fancy dovetails or through tenons, but I wanted to keep things quick and simple, so I opted for basic dado joints. Now, even though it's not sharp yet, it seemed only fitting to use the tiny plane to help craft the tiny shelf it'll rest on. And with a little bit of glue, a few clamps, and 24 hours of patience, the shelf was ready for some finishing touches. I tidied up the edges with my recently sharpened big plane, followed by some sanding, a French cleat to hang it on the wall, and it's done. Thanks for watching.